to our 5 competing groups for tonight.
This is the first ever 94.5 K5 News FM Kalibo Dance Showdown 2024.
Allow me to introduce our incredible dance group, the Atiklan Pride Dance Group of Malaya Clan, whose talent and dedication continually inspire gratitude with every graceful movement and electrifying performance. We weave together a tapestry of passion and artistry, spreading joy and unity wherever we go. It's with immense appreciation that we showcase our remarkable talent and express our gratitude for our unwavering commitment to the art of dance. Join us as we redefine the art of dance and inspire audiences with our fearless spirit around the province of Aklan.
We started as 6 members in Choreo and Team, and now we are growing family. Most of us are students. Basically, ginagawa po nila, binabalance nila yung love nila for dancing and their academics. Tapos yung iba naman po is working professional. We are very grateful for those people who are consistently supporting us since day one. And we will make sure that we will always do our best.
K5 94.5 News FM Kalibo.
Hi, I'm Sunday.
Hello, I'm Jaya.
And I am the Velocity X Queen.
Ibo. Yo, I'm Lyndon.
Yo, I'm RL. I'm Joey. What's up? I'm Daniel.
I'm Baz.
I'm JD. I'm Adam.
Velocity X Queen. Hi, we are the Barrio 56 from Kalibo, Aklan. At ang grupo na to ay bago pa lang. Galing po kami sa iba't ibang dance group dito sa Aklan. From Classy Hip Hop, Cali Roots, Cali Bronx, Cali 6, at students from Aklan Valley High School. Sumali kami para i-promote ang Mighty C at K5 News FM. Bukod sa pag-promote namin ng brand nyo, sumali din kami para i-promote ang mga sarili namin. Dagdag pa dyan, gusto namin malaman kung diskarte o diploma ba ang gagamitin para makuha ang 20K. So malalaman natin yan after ng judge's decision. And 3, 2, 1! This is your show, your time, it's Mighty C!
Alright, thank you so much. Patikim pa lang yun.
Correct, partner. Mamaya marami pa tayong matutunghayan.
Yan. Yun yung pinaka-teaser pa lang. Kumbaga na lang ng konti. Okay? Before we introduce the 3 people who will be responsible for choosing our winners for tonight. Okay? Siyempre ang ating mga hurado, ang ating mga judges. Our first judge graduated at Aklan State University College of Industrial Technology, Kalibo, Aklan, with a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education major in MAPE. He is taking up Master of Arts in Education major in Physical Education with complete academic requirements at Aklan